It's Yale key. We will learn how to cut this key by bittings. At first, please turn on the 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. And then click the option key database. Here select residential key. Look for the option Yale key. And find this key profile. Click the key profile. This key has 5 cuts. We select 5 cuts. We choose special residential clamps. This is the guideline of key installation. Install the key blank depending on the guidelines. If it's ready, click Continue. Here we have to input the key bittings on the key profile. Finally, cut a new key.